Omega-3 fatty acids have many health benefits. They help fight against depression and anxiety, improve eye health, promote a healthier brain during pregnancy and infancy. The biggest reason people want omega-3 is to improve their risk factor for heart disease. Heart attacks and strokes are the leading cause of death throughout the world. Research has shown that those communities that consume fish have the lowest rates of these diseases. Omega-3 can reduce blood pressure levels in those that have high blood pressure and reduce blood clots. Try a salmon recipe. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Line a large rimmed baking sheet with foil and grease with cooking spray. To the center of the foil, lay lemon slices in an even layer. Season both sides of the salmon with salt and pepper and place on top of lemon slices. In a small bowl, whisk together butter, honey, garlic, thyme, and oregano. Pour over salmon, then fold up foil around the salmon. Bake until the salmon is cooked through, about 25 minutes. Switch the oven to broil, and broil for 2 minutes, or until the butter mixture has thickened. Garnish with parsley before serving. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.